Hello friends, welcome to OTICA Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing of OTICA made VeinHunter Premium Vein Finder. So this device is widely useful and very useful in multi-purpose. This works for a patient having problem to find the veins in the hospital or at the clinics or at the multiple areas where we need to find the vein of the patient, and it is useful with the obese patient, with the cancer patient, or with a multiple disability patient where the veins are finding in day-to-day basis or in the emergency. It is very difficult. So this is the box made by OTICA. The VeinHunter is the brand of OTICA brand. We are just unboxing it. They have given the proper packaging. The company has given the standby lens in future if you require to replace the lens. Company has provided the lens. Company has given the warranty card. Company has given a user manual. Then this is the main unit. Company gives the main unit in this reusable zipper bag. Then this is the main charger adapter, and this is the charging cable. So these are the accessories, and the device comes with. The user manual has given you the all information inside. You can also go through this, and we will also brief you here how to use OTICA made VeinHunter Premium Vein Finder. So let us start with the device. So this is the main device. This is of navy blue color. Company has given the serial number of the device here, and the two buttons provided over here. These two buttons are to operate the color of LED and the intensity of LED. And here on the right side, the company has given the power switch, and on the bottom part, company has given the charging port. So this is the charging port and charging cable. You have to apply it here, and you have to put it this over here to charge the device. Company has given two different indicators. The lower one indicator is a battery current status indicator. Green means the battery is having sufficient charge. Slowly the battery will get drained after many usage. This LED will turns to red, which means you need to charge the device. And the upper LED is the charging indicator. When you will put the device on the charge, it will give you the red indication, and after the device has fully charged, it will turn to green light, means your device is fully charged. So this is how the charging works. This is the charger, and in future if you want to replace this, you have to remove this sticker from over here. You can open it, and you can also replace the battery in future if required, and you can also replace this lens after multiple hundreds of use. There might be have some scratches over this place, so company has given this standby lens for the replace purpose. So the device is very useful, and this is the very good quality, premium quality device. We assure this device gives you a proper vein, and you have to look for the vein in the patient's arm, where you have to touch the device on the body. This is not the device where you can just do the lights. You have to touch the device, which is very important. If you will not touch, if you will make a loose connection with the skin, you will not be able to see the vein. So when you are in very bright room, you have to reduce the room light to get the optimal results of the vein. And whenever you are at the clinic, there might be a low light is required, or we recommend it. Otherwise you can see with the bright light also, you can see the vein. The veins are indicated in the black line, and you have to turn the device. Make sure you keep the firm contact with the skin, and insert the IV stick or IV cannula from this area. You can see the veins are available and visible in entire hand. This device is also useful in multiple ways, like on your face, on your leg, or wherever you want to see the vein. This device will give you the proper vein structure available and visible in a very well manner. And if you dim the room light, it will give you the excellent output of the vein structure. So this is how the OTICA made VeinHunter premium quality vein finders available in the market. Thank you for watching.